Hey everybody, welcome to another unboxing. This one is a little bit late because USPS actually lost and damaged my package a little bit, and I had to make sure everything was accounted for before I presented it to you. So unfortunately, I already know what's in here, but I can tell you it's amazing and I'm excited to share it with you. Here we go. Ooh. All right, first up as always is our little brochure. Right side up for you. Sunset Rider is a theme of this September box. On the back, it shows you a description of what everything is. And over here, it shows you 3 suggested nail looks from easy, moderate to complicated. But don't let complicated intimidate you. All it means is it's using more strips. That's all it means. And some of these looks look super, super cute. Okay, let's get right in. We've got our nail file and prep pad, and we have the nail strips. I didn't see the little card that used to say the names of all the sets and their SKUs, and I didn't see that last one, so I think maybe they've done away with that, but that's okay, it's not necessary. And the reason why that's not, in case you're wondering, is this thing will tell you everything, including your bonus gift. Okay, let's get into these sets. So we have 2 full-size sets and 3 smaller accent sets in this month's box. This first one is a really pretty, kind of like a warm brown. It's called Saddle Up. You guys see that pretty color? Now these are cut, so these are French tip, but they're kind of cut a little bit wavy, which is super fun. And all of the accent packs are that way. This one is Whiskey Neat, and this one is a bit of a duochrome, so it kind of goes from that gold to that pink. Super pretty. So I don't know how well you can see that perforation there, but it's cool. Next up, another warmer tone. This is called Rustler, and ooh, I didn't even realize this one was a duochrome. So it's pink, but it's got that flash of bronze in it. So there's the pink, and then there's that bronze. So cool. So cool. So that one's Rustler. All right, and getting into these, super excited. This first one is called Rodeo Queen. This is a glitter overlay, but it's like very glittery. And it's like I would call it a rose gold glitter. It is a finer glitter than most of our rose golds. So it's finer than Coming Up Rose Gold. It's finer than Tokyo Lights. And it's just really beautiful. So what you could do with that is lay that over top of those French tips for like a sparkly French mani, which I always think is cute. But the set I'm most excited about, you guys, is this one. So it's called Wild West. And we've got adorable cactus silhouettes and some kind of like a peachy orangey, kind of like a desert landscape on the base of these nails. There are 2 strips in here, and they are double-ended, but the design is only on the bottom end. But I will say that this is a shimmer overlay, so it's not just plain white. So if you were just to use this side, like, it would still give a nice little enhancement to your mani, which is super cute. I can't wait to wear this. Some of you might remember I mentioned I live in the desert. So anything that's cactus and cacti, I'm all over it. And I know what you're all waiting for. What is this month's mystery gift? I was pretty excited when I saw this. I'm like, ooh, first of all, it's purple. And if you can't tell, I love purple. So this is a silicone matte, and Color Street said in the little brochure that this is going to be really handy for doing a manicure like in your lap or at a table, and be able to stick all those plastic pieces and those paper pieces here, and then you can just carry it over to the garbage and brush it off for a mess-free experience, which, if you're a mom, mess-free is so essential. If you're not a mom, it's probably still essential. So this is really fun. It's really pliable, flexible, and it's silicone, so it's It's perfect, and it's got this cute logo and the little nail strip dip thing going on, because remember, Color Street is 100% real nail polish. So that is the Sunset Rider box for September. The October box is, I want to say it's Gothic Beauty, but it's something Gothic, and it's got this really cool purple and black brocade motif on the label, which, as we have learned over the past while, the labels always give you hints about what's inside. It doesn't tell you exactly what's inside, but it does give you hints, and I appreciate that. The link to subscribe for that October box will be in the description. Last day to sign up for that is September 30th, so not too much time from the time I make this video, but all of our subscription boxes, the last day to subscribe is the last day of the month prior to the box's release. Oh, sorry, I got something in my eye. And then on the 2nd of each month is when your card will be billed. Please feel free to hop into my VIP group. I've got sales giveaways, all kinds of fun stuff going on in there. I do have a very large inventory that I'm trying to unload a little bit. We're rearranging our living room, and I'm excited for the changes that we're making, but I would like less space to be dedicated to my display cases, and I can put those display cases in a cupboard for vendor events and parties, but not necessarily just out. But I don't want to have to dig through to get my sets out all the time. So I'd love to unload some sets. Pop on over in there if you're interested. Otherwise, I will see you next month for the next unboxing. Bye, everybody!